Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Kendra Ellis, along with Savani Ferguson, and we will be discussing the nervous system with the physiology and functions, along with the diseases and disorders of the neurons. The nervous system controls our lives and all of our body functions. Every action and every response to anything is coordinated by the nervous system, be it physical, mental, or emotional. Internal changes are also coordinated by the nervous system. For example, in response to changes in body temperature to maintain homeostasis. The basic function of the brain is the reception of stimuli by its special sensory cells. To carry out this function, the system's special sensory cell, called the neuron, must be diverse, either just simple general functions or very efficient complex commands. The system transfers information throughout the body through impulses called nerve impulses. These impulses are received and sent also by the neurons. Events leading to nerve impulse conduction involves nerve cell membrane maintaining resting potential by diffusion of sodium and potassium down their concentration gradient as the cell pumps them up the gradients. Neurons receive stimulation causing local potentials which may sum to reach threshold. Sodium channels in the local region of the membrane open. Sodium ions diffuse inward, depluralizing the membrane. Potassium channels in the membrane open. Potassium ions diffuse outward, repolarizing the membrane. The resulting action potential causes an electric current that stimulates adjacent portions of the membrane. Action potentials occur sequentially along the length of the axon as a nerve impulse.
A neurological disorder is a disease or any injury to the nervous system that causes paralysis to any part of the body. A motor neuron disease is a progressive neurological disorder that destroys nerve cells responsible for carrying impulses that control muscle activity, such as speaking, walking, breathing, and swallowing. What occurs is messages from nerve cells in the upper motor neurons, the brain, cannot instruct the nerve cells in the lower motor neurons, the brainstem and spinal cord, to move a particular part of the body. These disruptions in the nerve impulses result in gradual muscle weakening, muscle wasting, and uncontrollable twitching. Eventually, the ability to control voluntary movement can be lost. The cause of motor neuron diseases are unknown. However, factors have been contributed towards causing motor neuron diseases, such as genetics, toxics, viral, and environmental factors. Most common motor neuron diseases are lateral sclerosis, primary lateral sclerosis, and progressive muscular atrophy, which all cause severe muscle weakness. There is no cure for motor neuron diseases. The goal for treatment is to improve symptoms, relieve pain, and increase mobility. Our nerves and our impulses functioning correctly in our bodies are important to regulate our internal environment so we can respond properly to our external environment, such as learning, thinking, or walking. When nerve impulses become impaired, our bodies cannot function properly and our quality of life is affected.